Hello, well today I want to give you a tip on how to renovate your leather sofa. So a sofa is a decent investment, so you want to make sure that you get as much life out of it as possible, and often the colour can wear or can go out of date. So here's a good solution to fix that problem. So as you can see here, this sofa is a light beige. It looks okay in the photo, but in actual fact it was quite tatty and showing signs of wear. And so some of our Brains Trust decided to renovate it and converted it from this to this. And it's important to note that the product we used, the manufacturer recommended that it not be used to change colour. However, we've been able to do this quite successfully, and it has taken approximately 4 coats of the colour in order to get the coverage and a satisfactory finish. Just showing you the product. So the product is a leather colorant from a company called Sofa Rehab. Now, this particular sofa took just over a litre in order to get that level of finish. A litre of the colorant costs around about $120. But when you compare that to the cost of replacing the sofa, it pales into insignificance. Okay, so there you go. So remember, it's not intended for changing the colour, but that's something that we have been able to do quite successfully. And it is so far is standing up to the wear of a young family very well. It's been completed probably around about a month, and the outcome is amazing.